Hello friends, welcome to my channel, with another helpful video tutorial. In this video, I will show how to check your desktop power supply with a multimeter. So, let's start. Suddenly, this desktop is unable to turn on. For this reason, I will check this power supply first. I already disconnected this power supply unit from the desktop motherboard. At first, we will short this PSU unit, black and green cable for turn on. Remember, black and green cables will be short. We can connect any black cable for short, as a common. After the short black and green cable, now give a power connection for checking. After plugging the power cable into multi-plug, now I connect with the power supply. I turn on the power switch. If this turns on properly, then the fan is starting to run. Friends, when I turn on power, the PSU fan is running smoothly. That means, this power supply turns on, and works properly. Now, I will check the power supply output voltage, by a digital multimeter. The multimeter will be on DC mode. At first, I take a common connection from any black cable for measurement of power supply voltage with different color codes. Friends, on the screen, you can see the voltage rating of different power cable connections on the power supply unit. When we measure black and blue cables, then we find 12 volts DC on multimeter. When we measure black and orange, or brown, it shows 3 volt DC on multimeter. As same as black and red, it shows 5 volt DC. Friends, any queries about this topic, please type me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.